For this experiment we're gonna need a candle, this kind of candle or birthday candles will do, and a lighter. I'm gonna blow the candle and put the fire to the smoke so the smoke will light the candle. Check this out. Today we just need some kind of money with the portrait. I got $20. I'm gonna show you how to make portrait sad and then happy. Let's check it out. The secret to make him smile and then look like he is upset is in 3 folds. Make the half line over here on his face, like between his nose and the mouth, and just make that fold first. Then unfold it, and the next fold will be from the end of his eyebrow to the end of his mouth. So we're gonna fold it like this, line it up and fold it. The same thing over here, end of his eyebrow to the end of his lips. So fold it like that, and the middle, and just fold it all together like this. Pretty good. Check it out. He looked like a Grinch right here. You know, from that Christmas movie? Pretty funny, huh? Well, anyways, Grinch, normal, sad. Look how funny it is when he's sad. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Normal. Grinch. For this experiment we're gonna need a straw and a bottle, any kind of bottle. We're gonna grab our straw and rub it on a piece of cloth like this, and then put it on top of a bottle, and then put a finger close to it and check it out. Static electricity, move it. We can even stop it and go a different direction. Got too close. But yeah, that's another cool trick you can do. On the other side, it's gonna follow you. And in this experiment, we're gonna need a soda can. Sponsor, well, not really, I wish Coca-Cola was sponsoring. A glass, empty glass, whatever. And I'm gonna have a measuring cup, you don't have to have, but I will show you how much milliliters of water we need. We're gonna need half a cup of water and pour it in the can. And then we're gonna bounce it on the rim of the glass. You gotta be patient, but it's possible. Alright, took me like a couple minutes, but we finally set it up like that. You can impress some people and maybe bet them and win some money. Check out the close-up. And today we just need empty soda can. And whenever you're drinking your soda, just leave 100 milliliters of soda. Just, you know, if it's too much, keep sipping, and you should be able to bounce your can like this. Sometimes you cannot. Too much. Alright, I'm pour a little bit out. Let's try it again. And it should be spinning like that. So you have 100 milliliters inside of it of soda, and you see it's spinning and bouncing on the edge like that. You can even lightly touch it so it's keep rocking like that. It's pretty cool. You can impress some people. Pretty awesome stuff, huh? I got 3 tea bags, like, you know, and a lighter. We're gonna grab a scissor. So we're gonna grab scissors, cut the tea bag, open it up like that, and take the tea out from this paper stuff on one side and the other side. Gotta cut some more. Unfold them like tubes, like this, so you'll be able to set them up like this. And then light it up from the top. And it should fly out. Fly up. they should fly out pretty soon. One was a fail, but the tall one goes up. Pretty awesome, huh? Let me know, what do you think? Oh, this is coming down now. And for this experiment, we're gonna need a couple toothpicks, couple of forks, salt shaker, and an empty glass. Alright, first thing we're gonna do is intertwine our forks like this. Make sure they're pretty tight, you know, that's what she said, some would say in comments below. And then just stick a toothpick like this in between of the forks. And you can bounce these two forks on top of your finger, or you can bounce it on the rim of the glass. Check it out. Nothing else touching. You know, you can impress some people. And if you want to be more epic, you stick the toothpick in the salt shaker like this, and grab your toothpick and two forks like that and bounce it on top of a toothpick. Alright, and then grab your toothpick and put the tip of a toothpick on the other tip. See what happens. Check it out, just on the tip of a toothpick. And for this experiment, all we're gonna need is 2 toothpicks. First thing you're gonna do is grab one match like that, between of your 2 fingers like that, and then close it like this. And like, then put the other match just on top of your hand like that. You see, you're not touching, but then look, you're making the toothpick jump just with your mind. Check it out. And here's the solution. You're gonna hold it like here with the 2 of your fingers, and then put a lot of pressure with your nail and just like move it down, but move it down slowly. Check it out. And whenever you move it down slowly, the match gonna jump. I mean the toothpick, because of a lot of pressure, you know, and the vibration on the match, on the toothpick. That's it, very simple and cool trick. You can impress some people. And today I'm gonna show you a little challenge. You can challenge your friends. So first thing you're gonna ask who you're gonna challenge is lift each fingers 2 inches up high. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the other fingers have to stay on the tables. So that was 2 inches. But then you're gonna put your knuckle down right here, not knuckle, but you fold your finger like that, and same thing, you have to leave all the fingers on the table, but lift each fingers 2 inches high, like this one. You see, this one 2 inches, this one 2 inches, pinky is 2 inches, but now all this have to stay on the table, and this one, your bone have to touch in the table. You have to lift this finger 2 inches like that up high, but without help, just with the muscle of your finger. What you're gonna find is you're not gonna be able to lift this finger, or like just couple inches. Like double jointed people maybe can lift a little bit, but without lifting a pinky, you're not gonna be able to lift this finger. So the ring finger would stay on the table. And for this experiment, we're gonna need baking soda, white vinegar, you can use any kind of vinegar, and we're gonna need couple candles. And we're gonna do some magic science. We're gonna put vinegar inside the container, any kind of container, just this much, half a cup, and then put baking soda in there. What it's gonna do is produce carbon dioxide, and then we're gonna just check it out. It's gonna put out candle. And this one now.